Walmart, home of the apples and oranges. Oh, yes, that's right. See, Susie over here is making a wise decision by picking up her favorite vegetables. But what she doesn't know is that just around the corner, that Karen is about to make an even wiser decision by showing us on how to use Walmart Pay Mobile Edition. Karen, wait for the rest of us. So this is the home screen, but we need to head over to Account, then select your wallet, scroll all the way down till you see Walmart Pay, then tap on that. Now, when using Walmart Pay, it's broken down into 2 simple steps. First, once you arrive, scan the QR code. This way, you can connect your account. Secondly, choose how you want to pay. And that's how to use Walmart Pay Mobile Edition Walmart for people like him and Susie. Oh, and our dear friend Karen. Yes, we love Karen, don't we? And this guy, let's call him Jim. Everyone say goodbye to Jim. Until next time. Bye, guys.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment next to get more content like this.